Hello everyone, welcome back to Josh's Auto. Got this 99 Tahoe. I've been getting some questions about it. I started doing an LQ9 swap on it a while back. Been making some progress on it. Ended up getting ICT billet motor mounts for it and ICT billet alternator relocation. Still need some more parts, but I've got the motor in. I started doing the wiring on it. I've got it now to the point to where it'll start up and run. So I've got fuel system hooked up, got the headers in and the collectors bolted up to the bottom of the headers. Modified the original 350 throttle cable bracket, so we now have a working throttle cable and throttle pedal. So brake booster hooked up. We've also got down here and we've got the power steering hooked up. So I think we're gonna do away with the mechanical fan and go with the dual electric fan set up on it. So as you can see, I've been into the harness, working on it and working on merging the factory harness to get the factory gauge cluster working and everything working with it. So far been able to get it to fire up and move around under its own power, and we still have more wiring to do. I've got the OBD2 connector working in this thing, so I've been able to hook up with HP tuners and data log a little bit. So got the dash a little bit taken apart so I can get to all the wires in there underneath the dash there to make everything work. So I figured I'd give a little update. So of course I ended up finding a bracket out of the stock Silverados with the LS motors in them, to where I'm going to be able to mount the ECU back in a factory location of the newer models, which is down here underneath the battery to the side. So get that bolted in. I did take a factory fuse box holder and I chopped it down to fit up here next to the Tahoe's ABS module, so it's all going to snap in. Of course I'm going to put it all back in once I get all the wiring done. So but it's making progress. So pretty soon be on to getting some exhaust done in it and hopefully testing to make sure the four-wheel drive works. Still have the AC and power steering bracket, I believe it is, that we're gonna get, so I can mount the factory compressor back in here, hook the lines back up, get his factory air conditioner working again. That's some of the wires I still need to hook up. But it's been a little while since I did an update on it, so I figured I'd share an update. Thanks for watching.